Hey guys, Sam here, and we actually have a project going on in the back, but we're not that far along with it, so we can't make a video yet. So I wanted to show you guys this project we have. This is a, it says, I think Borelli from 1965, and it was sold at Montgomery Ward's, and we got it at the local flea market, and we actually traded it for a machete, and so now we have it and going to be working on it. As you can see, it's pretty rough. There's probably some missing, like we don't have a gas cap, and the engine, we don't know if it runs or not, so we're going to have to work on that, and you know, just overall do a little stuff. And the cool thing is well, the seat is broken, but it comes off and you get the frame. There's actually down here a pouch that I guess used to hold tools. We did some research, and this is supposed to come up, but this is stuck. So we gotta, you know, get some WD-40 for that. Now the body seems pretty solid, but the only rot that I see, well, minus the muffler on the other side, is right here. But you know, that could probably be patched or hopefully find a new one. I don't know if there's any parts really for this, like where to look. So if you guys have any ideas where you could find parts, let me know. So with the engine, I have no clue what size it is or anything. I think it might be locked up. I mean, it pedals, but when you like hit the clutch for it to go, it like is stuck and the piston doesn't move. But we're gonna have to figure out the wiring and, you know, take the engine apart, see what, you know, is in it and how it is and how it looks, and hopefully the coil isn't bad, which is, you know, pretty cool seeing that there's a coil on a moped. And now we're up towards the front. I'm guessing this would be the throttle side. It's kind of locked, so we're gonna have to work on that. But I really love the look of this front fender and the light, and on the light itself is the speedometer, and it actually reads that it has 690 original miles, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it's true, but if so, that's cool. And then there's a horn under here. Everything's just so like solid, and just overall it's a pretty cool moped. And to get it for a machete, I think that's a win. And looking at this gas tank, it seems pretty solid. I took the hose off on the bottom and kind of blew on it, and it didn't seem like, you know, anything was leaking or anything that I know of. But it is missing a gas cap, so I'm gonna have to find something there. And another cool thing I think is that on this engine, on both sides, there's this MW, which I'm guessing is for Montgomery Ward's. And like, we're missing a pedal, and the exhaust is rotted, but other than that, everything looks pretty much all there. And I guess right here was supposed to be like a toolbox or something, but and then we got the VIN tag here. And the shocks probably need new ones, but hopefully we could get this engine apart and get the engine free and running, and then work on the body. Again, if you know anything about these, just let me know. It'd be cool to learn about stuff like this. And, well guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it is such a short video, but I just wanted to show you what we got for a simple machete, you know. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a comment, a like, subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the cruise down to Lashman Road.